When you're building mission-critical systems that drive our industry and protect our people, you need precision you can prove and delivery you can trust. Burke Aerospace is a US-based precision machining partner delivering tight tolerance components for aerospace and defense customers. From complex turning and multi-axis machining to EDM and specialty work in high-temperature alloys, we support mission-critical programs across aircraft engines, industrial gas turbines, and advanced defense platforms.
There is no room for failure. You have an aircraft carrying 200 people at 30,000 feet up in the air, got to be perfect every time.
Behind every part we ship is a connected set of world-class resources. This includes engineering leadership with decades of experience, high-tech equipment designed specifically for tight tolerance work, inspection systems that allow us to verify critical features, and additive manufacturing that accelerates tooling and process development.
Burke is invested in capital equipment and facilities to be the leading and most responsive cooling hole provider for the engine OEMs in their primes. We are big enough to handle very large commercial and industrial grade production runs, and we're small enough to give our customers access to our top level leadership.
From the top down, I own pretty much all of our projects, so at any given time, my customers can talk to the person who's running the company.
Whether it's the president or myself or vice president of engineering, our customers are able to get immediate responses.
My promise is trust, transparency, honesty. We are never going to tell a customer we can do something if we can't do it. We will deliver on time every time.
I think what makes us really special is the fact that our owner served our country and has a really deep understanding and love for what our military does. We really want to make sure that from start to finish, we produce the best parts on the market.
Burke Aerospace is proud to be American-made, privately held, and built for long-term performance. If you need a supplier that can ramp quickly, hold aerospace level tolerances, and deliver with total reliability, we're here to help.